Hi guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I will be working further on my Mercedes GLB 250 2021. Basically the car is finished, few things left to do, and the main thing is the AC compressor. The AC compressor, you will see on the episode what happened with this stuff. If you are new on my channel, I will show you now how the car looks like before the repair. The Eagle has landed. Time to load it. The car is heavily damaged in front. Please watch my movie, subscribe, leave a comment if you can, and I hope you like that kind of movies. I connect the charger to the battery, and now it should be ready. It charged almost 12 hours. So I will show you the front. I think it is looking very nice with this aftermarket grille. The car is finally here, as you can see, guys, but there is still a lot of work. I have to put some, I don't know, those plastic covers, and also I am waiting for the electrician because there is a Christmas tree on the dashboard, so you can see there is a lot of errors. So I am waiting for the technical guy, and he will connect the computer, and I hope he got the newest software, you know, to deal with this car. Okie dokie, so the auxiliary battery is ready now. Look how small it is. This is the auxiliary battery. Guys, I will show you guys now where the battery is. So battery is under this central console, and it should be right there. I will put it now, and I will show you this battery. You see, there is the small auxiliary battery. The battery is charged. If the battery is damaged, it will be not holding the charge, you know, so it will deploy very fast. So I hope the battery is good, but lucky for me, those batteries are very cheap, around $20 new, so wish me luck. As you can see, here is some kind of fuse boxes. What I was able to discover fixing the Christmas tree on the dashboard, that the car doesn't charge the battery. Fix the issue, so now I will install it. Pyrotechnic fuse or something is installed, and please wish me luck. Please wish me luck. I will try to launch the car. Oh, there is no error about the battery. Guys, it worked. There is no error. Woohoo! Because you know, the battery doesn't need sometimes more energy or less, and this device, I think, regulate the charging current, you know. So now there is no error on the dash, and I have to deal with all the others errors. So see you guys. Woohoo! New piece. Hello guys, so I am in the workshop, and guy here fixed basically his company doing the AC fixes. So because in my Mercedes the AC doesn't work, so I don't know, is this a mechanical damage or you know, something with the gas, I don't know. Basically everything works here. as you can see, the car drives very nice, but I have to drive there and he have to check the entire AC, you know, unit in this car, because in the accident something could, you know, go wrong with that. And this is how I will return home. I hope see you after fix. And hello guys. So I am in my shop right now. So what's the situation? The guy who had to do this job doesn't have time, so he tell me what to do, and I exchanged the compressor, the AC compressor, and now I am near the company that was able to fix my compressor, and I will pick it up and I will install on my car. So meet me in my place because I cannot record here. So I am here is the company. Oh look, wow, I will show you this later on. So now I am in this company and I will take the compressor and I will go to my garage and I will install it. So see you. So as you see guys, here is the new compressor, here is the inside of, and this was broken. This part need to be, so this part have to be exchanged, and now the compressor is in good shape. And now I will show you this fire truck. I forgot the name of this. I will show you this. Woohoo! Wow. Nice piece of history. So see you guys. Hi guys, so now I will be flashing the AC system. So I buy that kind of device to flash it. Here is the fluid. Now I will apply, I will connect the pressure, and I will clean the entire lines, entire AC lines. I put the bucket under the car. They write that 1 liter should be more than enough to flush the AC system. So we will see. Okay, fluid is in. Okay, so I have 5 bars. Bucket is empty. This is after first try. Doesn't look pretty. So I will do this a few times. I have 5 liters, so I think this will be more than enough. and I will show you the final result.
So see guys, this is after the third time. So the fluid start looking nice. This is 120 microns filter, and I am checking, if there is small pieces of aluminium. Okay guys, so it is late on the night at this moment. I flashed many times, I don't remember how many times, and this is the final flash. You see? In my opinion, this will be enough because I filtered this fluid and there is no dirt. So only the water is a little bit dirty, but there is no particles. There is no aluminium. There is no nothing there. There is no old oil, and basically, as you can see, this water is nice. It's water. I still call it water. This fluid is looking nice. So I think this will be enough. Bonnie! And I hope the Klima will be working at least for 10 years. Chodź. Dobrze. So guys, as you can see, here is the first cleanup, here is the last cleanup. So in my opinion, everything is fine. I have a new one here, so I will put the compressor in a moment. I will connect the lines and I will add the gas and everything should be fine. The entire system is flushed, and now I will show you the old piece of compressor, AC compressor. You see, here are the 6 pistons, I think that they call pistons, and the cylinder walls was destroyed by those pistons. You see, I will show you. Here is one heavily damaged. All are damaged, so I don't know, is this it's hard to see on the camera, and the old AC compressor wasn't able to create the pressure, so that's why the AC in my car doesn't work. So now everything should be fine. I will connect the new AC line. I will put the belts on. I will start the car. I will not connect the AC compressor because there is no gas, so this compressor cannot work where there is no gas in the system. So remember, sometimes when there is no gas in the system, the compressor could broke also. My compressor was damaged by the accident, so time to do this. So as you can see, the AC compressor is installed. Zdjęcie do upamiętnienia roboty. Pokażę, kuźwa, co ja tutaj narobiłem. So guys, the AC is working. The cold air is coming out from the fan. I don't have the gauge to show you this, but basically it's working fine, so I'm very happy.